Today, I'm building a Mentos garden, where each candy is grown and then harvested automatically, all to prepare for the final experiment, with a giant tank of Coke. Now, let's go. Since this garden won't build itself, the farmers are rushing to fix up this dry ground. Let me help you, guys. First, I need to build a water tank to supply this dried up well. The Coke tank has arrived. It's going to help my Mentos garden grow, the juiciest harvest ever. The tank is still empty. Let's fill it up with Coke. Watch this, the Coke's flowing perfectly. Alright, it's time to get gardening. I'm gonna dig a garden plot in this area. Step 1, I'll start by staking out all the corners, then rope off the garden plot to mark the area. Next, I'll use this shovel to dig a deep hole for planting. Such a waste of time. Hey excavator, get over here. The job will be done in no time. How to build the farming excavator. Number 1, build the boom assembly. The linear actuator. The bucket. The boom assembly lifts up and down perfectly. Number 2, build the truck chassis. The motor. The tread sprocket wheels. The track links. Number 3, build the cabin. Next, I'll build the cabin for the truck. Connect to the battery box. Number 4, connect 2 parts. Testing with Orbeez.
The sand truck is here.
This soil will be transported to the gathering point. The garden has been dug up. Next, I'll level the garden plot. And place a few storage shelves nearby. Aha! My Mentos seeds have arrived. I'll plant these seeds in straight rows right into the garden. Now it's time to water them with Coke. Wow, the seeds have sprouted into Mentos plants. Time to harvest our Mentos crop. What a bountiful harvest. Now I'll set up a leaf peeling machine here. Let's prep this Mentos plant. Thanks to this machine, the Mentos plants will be separated into leaves and Mentos seeds. I'll use these Mentos seeds for my special experiment. And these leftover leaves will be sent to the livestock farm for reuse. Let's see what happens when I mix Mentos with Coke.
Don't worry, I've got you.
Thank you. You save us.
Crossing the Orbeez pool, we will be safe.
But how can we pass across the river?
I have an idea. The stepper vehicle. Step 1, build the car body. Step 2, build the pedal. Step 3, complete installation.
Wow, the stepper vehicle is moving.
Yeah!
Woohoo!
We're almost across the Orbeez pool.
Yeah!
Woohoo!
Yeah, we are safe.
Wait, we need food. Reserve. I'm hungry.
Okay.
No.
The container have been damaged.
We need a car that can handle the containers better. I think so.
Let me install another car. The wheeled vehicle? Step 1. Build the car body. Step 2. Build the wheel. Step 3. Complete installation.
Look, the wheeled vehicle is moving.
Great. Fighting. Yeah, we did it.
Everyone's supplies are safe.
Thank you, Mr. Pan.
It's all thanks to you.
You saved us.
You're welcome.
Keep the change. You're welcome. Enjoy your day. Good morning, guys.
Juice vending
some more.
machine.
Want blueberry.
Kindly wait. Processing now.
Processing now.
Orange juice, blueberry juice.
Yeah. Great. Got our drink. Awesome.
YOLO.
Yummy.
Ice cream vending
What
machine.
favor do you want?
Just buy all. I have plenty of money.
The ice cream here is delicious.
Apple. Add the apple. Mixing. Dispensing ice cream. Add the sprinkles.
So yummy.
How to build the ice cream machine. Mixer zone. Push zone. Build the mixer zone. Step 1. Build a mixer blade. Step 2. Build the engine. Step 3. Testing a mixer blade. Build the push zone. Step 1. Build a patong. Step 2. Build the engine. Step 3. Complete assembly.
It's all mine.
Come on, hello.
Mixing. Bananas. Add bananas. Dispensing ice cream. Add the sprinkles.
The taste is disgusting.
Fast food vending machine.
I'm starving. Hope I can get the hamburger.
Input the money. The strawberry donut.
Oh, a donut. I don't need this.
Input the money. The pizza.
Are you trying to drive me mad? This is my last bit of money. Ew.
Burger.
Stupid machine.
We need more car parking spaces. Help me get my car to the second floor. Okay. Help me! My car can't get out of here. I got an idea. Thank you.